Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. And this time we're taking you out to the 15th annual Rev It Up car show at Moosehaven Retirement Community. And this is the Grand Tour. This was a great event. Lots of cars. I think they had like 250 cars out there. I mean, it was huge. Anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, so we're going to take you on a grand tour of the Moosehaven Rev It Up car show. We're going to start out here at the beginning with some themed cars. We got Star Wars, Harley Quinn, Kong, Betty Boop, or Dark Betty Boop, whatever you want to say. Then we move on. Man, that's a slick looking Oldsmobile. See this Bronco around a lot. It's kind of cool. The F350 next to it's awesome. The thing was cool looking. Old Cadillac. This Cobra coming up around the corner. That thing was cool. It was orange. You don't see very many orange and gray Cobras. Not sure if it was a kit car or what, but it was cool. That was a Porsche there. Might be an MG. The Nova X was cool. They spent some money on that car. This Ford here in just a second is cool. It's a service rig truck. That's my kind of truck right there.
Center of gravity. If you lean forward a little bit, it goes forward. If you start to lean back, you get the center of gravity upright, but it stops.
Nice looking bag dually, OBS Chevy. Yeah, it was so tight in some areas I couldn't get in and do a grand tour of them, so you just had to see them kind of in the background as we go by. We're headed up to GTO Corner. Quite a few GTOs there. There was a lot of neat stuff under the trees, but I couldn't get into it to do a grand tour. Now there's some footage of it on the lid cam and Scooter Vision, but just doing a ride through for the grand tour, I couldn't get to them. I like this red car on the corner. I think it's a Ford Deluxe. It was cool. Gotta love them old school Corvettes like that gray one there. Oh, I got so mad when I got done with the videos of this one. I couldn't see it behind the bush, behind this flamingo colored car. But you can just barely see it. There was a Plymouth Superbird. Oh, I was so mad I couldn't. I didn't get to see it. That silver Ford Deluxe there kind of looks like something out of Grease, doesn't it? Like Grease Lightning, or the white car they built through the movie. This blue Mustang was kind of neat. It was a little different. Had like a body kit on it or something. Or was just different. It was cool. So that's going to wrap up this grand tour of the Rev It Up car show. Had to record the audio after the fact because you just couldn't do it at the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the 15th annual Rev It Up car show at the Moosehaven Retirement Community. That was a great event, wasn't it? Huge event, lots of cars out there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, please consider dropping us a like, a comment, sharing us around. Any little bit helps out the channel. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers to get our initial monetization goal. And if you just shared it around, it would be great. If you subscribe, that'd be even better. We need subscribers to get to that monetization goal. So share us around to car people, share us around to non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. Anyway, we hope to see you guys on the next one.